Hello guys, my name is Roni and I am a surveyor, and today I will teach you how dimension can be drawn to various directions through the simple UCS and how to change the three direction X, Y, Z. In the beginning, we must have a three-dimensional shape like this one, this three-dimensional shape, and we write UCS on the keyboard, UCS, and then in the shape, and then we choose a point on triangle shape like this one. You see, this one, the triangle here, 3 point triangle shape anywhere in the shape, like everywhere, like here or here or here, like what direction we want. Then we define the second point. At first we have a first point, like I said, every point we want, every point on the shape, any point on the shape we can use it. Then we use this one. After that, the second point, it is X here, or we can choose right there. Okay, and I will choose from here. Okay, then and then we choose the third point, Y, and I will choose Y from, we choose Y from here. Then we can change it and we can use it from any point on the shape. Then we can enter the dimensional properties like D. We write D on the keyboard. We have dimensional style, and we can change the size of the text and the point on the line close to the line. Then we can change simple and error, the error size, and mark without mark, and arrowheads, like what do we like it. Then I will choose the dimension, and I can choose from here to there, and I have this one. Yeah, and I will should choose the direction. I will choose the direction, and I can choose the other point from here, the height, with the direction like we want. So we have this dimensional. Then if you want to go to the original UCS or to the dimensional XYZ, another XYZ, original XYZ, we can choose you write UCS on the keyboard. Then we can write enter. Then we come back to the original shape, original dimensions. Okay, we can write dimensions from here to here. We can choose dimension here, like with the direction of the UCS. Then we can choose this one, repeat dimension. We can choose this one to this one. We have like a number. If you want to change the color of the dimensions, we can press on it. on it. We can change it from here to the any color we like. Red, gray, blue, green, yellow, magenta. I will go with red, and we have this shape. Thank you for watching. Soon more video about AutoCAD. Thank you.